Simple daily habits to stay young. Hello champions, I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, author of You Matter, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to our channel. Here we explore the fascinating realms of the mind and brain, share the secrets to success, help you heal your past and prepare for a brilliant future. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. And to all our returning viewers, a heartfelt welcome. If you are ready to dive into the incredible world of brain potential, type dive in the chat box right now. Now there are two ways I can help you more than this video. There are two links posted in the caption. First is you can register for my live seminar completely free to train your brain to achieve all your goals. And second, you can purchase my book You Matter through the link and start your personal growth journey with me. So let's come to today's topic, the daily habits that you need to build to stay young. Long time ago, I read the story of Yayati, ancestor of Pandav. Yayati was a great king. However, once he got cursed by sage Shukracharya. The curse was that Yayati will lose all his youthfulness and become senile. The king is aghast and begs for a counter curse. Shukracharya amends the curse that if someone agrees to take the old age, then Yayati will regain his youth. The story goes that Yayati approaches his sons and requests them. However, the elder two sons refuse. Puru, the third son, agrees to take on his father's old age. Yayati regains his youth and enjoys life. One fine day, decides that he has had enough enjoyment and gives back the youth to Puru, makes him the king and renounces worldly life. Such is the magic of youth. Today, the internet is flooded with tips to stay young. We all want to look young. The global anti-aging market is estimated to reach $91 billion by 2027. In the olden days, not much emphasis was given on staying and looking young. But not so today. When somebody compliments us that we look 10 years younger, we glow with happiness. Egyptian Queen Cleopatra's milk baths are famous down the centuries. If earlier staying young and youthful was a prerogative of the kings and queens, today it has become the focus of the masses. So let's look at the simple steps that we can easily follow to stay young and youthful. Are you ready? Then I'm ready in the chat box. It is said that staying young begins in the mind. Research shows that people who feel younger than their chronological age are more likely to live a healthier and youthful life. It's a 4-step formula. Formula 1. Agile in mind. Challenge yourself to try new things. This has got nothing to do with your age. Join nature club, go trekking, learn dancing, learn to laugh at yourself, meet new people. Second, be a lifelong learner. It is proven scientifically that learning a second language helps you maintain better cognitive health. If possible, go back to college and take admission to some courses and learn new skills. Third, focus on something larger than yourself. Most of the times we get bogged down with our life stories. Earlier, I was only interested in running my Ayurveda practice. I used to keep telling myself that my life was full of challenges for me to think of anything else. When I studied connection of mind and body, started my own consultation practice of healing others, is when I fully understood the purpose of my life. Understood that there is something beyond my life story. If you have a skill, impact it to others and empower them. When we take away the focus from our lives and bring the focus on empowering others, it builds resilience. Fourth, believe that you have a future. It is only when we look forward to something that we continue to feel alive and young. When there is nothing to look forward to, then we stagnate. Formula number 2. Strong and lean body. First is to keep moving for this. Sitting is new smoking. Sitting or lying down for too long increases the risk of chronic heart diseases, diabetes and even cancer. Every hour that you are sitting, ensure that you are at least moving for 10 minutes. Second, stay physically fit. Research says that people who spend at least 150 minutes a week engaged in aerobic activity experience higher benefits in their physical health. Minimum 30 minutes, 5 days a week, engage in some moderate activity like walking, jogging, lifting, cycling, swimming. Third, eat healthy, balanced diet. A diet that includes fresh fruits, veggies, lean protein, and plenty of fiber will help you stay fitter and younger. Increase the amount of good fats, whole grains, and omega-3s for optimum health. Formula number 3. Calm and centered being. 1. Stress is a silent killer. Stress increases the cortisol levels in our body, which in turn increases the inflammation in the body. Higher inflammation is a cause of many chronic diseases. Managing stress is the key. Second, join a yoga class. An hour of yoga reduces the risk of heart diseases. Yoga also improves blood pressure and cholesterol. 3. Follow a good sleep regime. A restful sleep is when you fall asleep easily. To know if you're sleeping well or no, notice how you wake up in the morning. If you feel refreshed, then it's a great sleep. 4th, keep an active social life. Strengthen ties with your family and friends. Let go of the emotional hurts. Work on your traumas and patterns. Take the initiative and plan family outings, dinners with friends, or just coffee mornings. 5th, regular meditation. Sitting for 15 minutes minimum with eyes shut. Observing the thoughts helps us detach ourselves from all that is going on in and around in our lives. Formula number 4, full and complete breath. I cannot emphasize more on this. Breath is the elixir of life. But it is that one thing that is taken for granted. The moment we stop breathing is the end. Breathing a full breath with lungs expanded increases the lifespan. Breathing correct way is also very crucial. When you inhale, the abdomen comes out. When you exhale, the abdomen goes in. This proper way of breathing ensures that the breath that we take in, the prana moves to every part of our cell. Practice simple left nostril breathing 3 to 4 times a day. Third is to be mindful. This means living in the present moment. When we are in the present moment is when we are aware of our breath. Bring mindfulness in your daily activities. Slow down. Make this 4-step formula a habit, part of your everyday living, and soon you will begin to notice the change in your appearance, in the way you think, the way you handle life challenges, and the way you look. You will become fitter, younger, and youthful. If this video was helpful, then share it with your friends and family, and let me know your routines to stay younger. Until then, next time.